How to create an Instagram account when you already have one. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application from your device. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Now, if you are logged into your Instagram account, log out of your Instagram account first, then you will see a page like this. Now, let's go ahead and create another Instagram account. To do that, tap on Create New Account here. Then you can type in your phone number, or if you would like to sign up with your email, you can also tap on Sign Up with Email. Then here, type in the email address that you have, then tap on Next. Now once you do so, an email confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Just paste the code here, then tap on Next. Once you have entered the code, you can create yourself a password. Make sure that you create a very strong password. It contains at least 6 letters and numbers. Once done, tap on Next. And once you have done that, it will ask you if you would like to save your login information. If you tap on to save, next time you will not be required to enter the password. Let's go ahead and tap on Save. Now select your date of birth. Then tap on Set, then Next. Now type in the full name of yours. Then tap Next. This will be your username. If you are satisfied, you can tap on Next. Then tap on I agree. And once you do so, if you would like to add a profile picture right away, tap on Add Picture. You can also do this later and tap on Skip. Tap on Next again. If you would like Instagram to access your contacts, tap on Allow, or else tap on Don't Allow. You can also skip some steps. Now, just like so, once you have created an account, you have to follow at least 5 people. Tap on Follow. And just like so, as you can see that, now you have successfully created yourself an Instagram account. If you tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner, you will see your followers and following list, as well as your profile. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.